life when there's nothing better to do than sing with the people next to you. Take an adventure, try your luck, dance on the table like you don't give a funny jokes and Facebook posts, passing notes and ships and boats. Try to make it mama and pop say, well, do it right now, do it right now. Do it right now. So we're back to this part. Does the song open up your heart? Does the song make you feel warm and fuzzy? I definitely think that it should. I wanted to include something about bunnies because, well, I knew I could. But hey, that's life. There's nothing better to do than sing with the people next to you. Take an adventure, try your luck, dance on the table like you don't give a funny jokes and Facebook posts, passing notes and ships and boats. Try to make your mama and pop say, well, do it right now, do it right now. 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 Oh no, all the boys and girls are dancing with each other. With each other. Oh no, all the boys and girls are dancing with each other. With each other. They're dancing up, they're dancing down, they're dancing to the right and to the left. They're dancing everywhere, but not with each other. Girls have dresses, boys have shoes. They're all just waiting for the move so that they can dance with each other. Oh no, all the boys and girls are dancing with each other. With each other. Oh no, all the boys and girls are dancing with each other. With each other. So many pretty girls sitting everywhere, all just waiting for a boy to ask. Too big, stand, dance. They're too shy, they're too mad. Things pretty neat, they can't feel it, and they got the sun. No, they can't see it. All the boys and girls, listen up. It's easy, just shake your butt and dance. Oh no, all the boys and girls are dancing with each other. Back there. No, all the boys and girls are dancing with each other. With each other. Hopefully we will remember this time. Grassy Ranch. Everybody knows you're the one who goes bang, bang in my heart, my heart. Everybody sees how we flirt and tease with each other from the start, Ever since I was a young girl, I thought it was best to see if guys were good enough, and I put him to the test. If he could pass the task, he could call me mine. But most people thought I was crossing the line. To ask someone to do this, to ask him to try, because I guess it isn't fair to any girl or guy. Everyone is human, we have our ups and downs. So I tore up that exam and I threw it on the ground. Everybody knows you're the one who goes bang, bang in my heart, my heart. Everybody sees how we flirt and tease with each other from the start, I liked you, but I didn't, and I got a little nervous, so I closed the lid. And you had to deal with the cards that you were dealt, but once you were gone, I knew how I felt. I felt mad, I felt sad because you were gone, and I had to fix this problem because it felt so wrong. And I asked you to kiss me, and it took me by surprise because that kiss was the kiss that made me realize that everybody knows you're the one who goes bang, bang in my heart, my heart. Everybody sees how we flirt and tease with each other from the start, It's my turn now, and I've got to admit that I don't know what I'm doing, nope, not one bit, but I doubt that any of you will sing along, so I guess I'll just tell you what's going on in my life. It's alright, you know, the same old same. struggling along, but I know I'm to blame because I'm strange and I'm weird and I can't grow a beard, but at least I can be happy whenever you're near because everybody knows you're the one who goes bang, bang in my heart, my heart. Everybody sees how we flirt and tease with each other from the start, the start. Everybody knows you're the one who goes bang, bang in my heart, my heart. Everybody sees how we flirt and tease with each other from the start, the start. Bang, bang. Let's go, ooh-wee, to a place that we all know, and we'll have a lot of fun, 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 fun. That is soon to come, 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 come. Say hi, hello to the people who pass by.
Hey man, what's up?
Everybody clap your hands, 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 hands to the beat of the band, 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 band. I'm bacon. I'm bacon. I'm bacon. Jamaica, let's go, to a place that we all know, and we'll have a lot of fun, 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 fun. That is soon to come, 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 come. Say hi,
Hello.
to the people who pass by.
Hey man, what's up?
Everybody clap your hands, 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 hands to the beat of the band, 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 band. Bacon. Please don't use the word love so rudely. When you use a word too much, it loses its meaning. Don't try and justify what you think is right. When you use a word special, you gotta hold it tight. Wait and wait and wait and wait till you fall in love, 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 love. Do 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 do. Please try to understand what I'm saying to you. Some words will come and some will go. Don't try to justify what you think is right. When you got a word special, you gotta hold it tight. Wait, 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 wait till you fall in love, 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 love. Do 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 do. I just met you a little bit ago, but I've already told you things others do not know. You make me happy, you make me smile. I wish we had a longer while, because you are my personal shooting star. Yes, you shooting star.